Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to install PVC wall panels quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your tools. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools: PVC panels, measuring tape, adhesive, a level, a pencil, a saw, and safety gear like goggles and gloves. Safety first. Step 2. Measure and plan. Measure the wall's height and width to determine how many panels you'll need. Plan the layout starting from the corner or center. Mark guidelines with a pencil to ensure the panels go up straight. Step 3. Cut the panels. Using a saw, carefully cut the PVC panels to fit the measured dimensions. Make precise cuts to ensure a snug fit. Remember to wear safety goggles and gloves during this step. Step 4. Apply adhesive. Apply a strong adhesive evenly on the back of the PVC panel. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the adhesive type you're using. Step 5. Install the first panel. Align the first panel with the guidelines you marked earlier. Press it firmly against the wall, ensuring it's level and plumb. Hold it for a moment to let the adhesive bond. Step 6. Continue installing panels. Continue attaching panels one by one, using your level to keep them straight. Overlap the edges slightly for a seamless look. Trim the final panel to fit if needed. This is where precision counts. Step 7. Finish the edges. For corners and edges, you may need corner moldings or trim pieces. Secure these with adhesive to create a polished finish and cover any gaps. Step 8. Clean and enjoy. Clean up any excess adhesive and admire your newly installed PVC wall panels. They are easy to clean and maintain, making them a fantastic choice for any room. There you have it, a beautiful wall transformation using PVC panels. With the right tools and our step-by-step guide, you can do it yourself.